In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using Selenium with Perfecto. Selenium is the leading open-source test automation tool for web apps. It automates testing across various web browsers. Selenium supports major programming languages for software test automation, as well as various browsers and operating systems. And Selenium Grid supports parallel test execution, reducing test execution time. Although Selenium is a strong and robust tool, many testing teams need additional functionality and support, especially as they scale their testing. By using Perfecto with the Selenium tooling suite, you can open up your testing to numerous benefits. With Perfecto's comprehensive device lab, you have instant access to thousands of devices, browsers, and OS combinations that you can run your Selenium tests against. Perfecto's secure and reliable cloud infrastructure is always available, so you don't have to worry about dealing with downtime, network logging, and other issues that come with in-house architecture. With Perfecto's Enterprise Cloud, you can scale your testing and keep up with all your necessary test permutations. Using Perfecto, you can get robust test failure analysis on your Selenium scripts and quickly find real defects and debug your scripts right from your IDE. And lastly, get faster feedback with Perfecto's integrations to your favorite CI/CD tools. Take your Selenium testing to the next level with Perfecto for a more complete and accelerated test automation experience.